Hi, future money makers. Imagine getting paid just for sharing things you love online. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'm about to show you the easiest way you can get started with Amazon Partnership Program in 2024. And guess what? You can do this from anywhere in the world. Stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to spell out all the secrets on how to create your account step by step and start earning like a pro. Let's get started so that you will succeed in this Ember month. You will make sales like never before. It's going to be in serious. This video is the part 1. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on the comment section if you want to join this series so that I'll teach you step by step on how to sign up and get started and the product you can promote for this season and make huge sales. Let the setup for Amazon success begin on Amazon style. The link will be below this video, or you go to your browser and type affiliateprogram.amazon.com in your browser.
The system is so easy. It's just for you to come to Amazon, create an account, choose a product, and you post it, advertise it. People click on your link and make a purchase. You make money. Amazon will pay you your commission
based on how many people that made a purchase with your link. Let's create an account so that you will start. So you come here, click on sign up, and it will bring you to this dashboard. Because you don't have account already, you are not clicking anything on sign in. Instead, you will come down, you will see create account. So you click on the create account. It will ask you for your name. You input your name, put your email address, put a password, put something you will remember, and repeat the password again. They will bring you to this dashboard. You have to solve a puzzle. They will now send you an OTP in your email address. Go to your email address and copy the OTP and paste it here and click on verify. Your account is verified. Then they will ask you to put your mobile phone number. You input your mobile phone number, put your country code, put your phone number and click on it, and they will send you another OTP in your number and you put it. You will still solve another puzzle. Just input the right up here, whatever you see them right here, just put it and click on. Then click on sign up so that you can start recommending your product and earn advertising fees. So click on the sign up. Don't worry, we will soon be done. Just click on the sign up and they will bring you to this dashboard. So in this first column, you are to put your legal name, the name that is on your bank account, the way it is in the account that you want to use to be collecting money from Amazon. Just put that name. So you have to enter your address the way it is in your government issued ID card. Don't complicate things, just put it straight the way it is for verification. Then you enter your city, your town, your house address. That one is not important, leave those one. Then put your code. Very, very important. Your postal code is very, very important. Then you put your phone number again. Here you have to select whether you are a US person or not. If you are not, you select and you click on it. Your account will soon be ready. So click on no. You are not a US person of the tax. But if you are from US, go ahead and click. Then click on submit. They will bring you to this dashboard. Here you have to put your website, or you put your YouTube channel link or your Facebook link, any of your social media handle. If you have an app, you put that the social media handle you are putting here, the link you are putting, whether YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, it has to have up to 1,000 followers. If it does not have up to 1,000 followers, don't use it and look for another one and use. Then down here you put your description. What do you do in your YouTube? Know your niche, you talk about it, then you submit. In this column, the first one is your store ID. That's your name, the name you want to your store to answer. It doesn't matter the name you choose, whatever name you choose is okay. Down here you have to select the handle you used. Is it social media? Is it YouTube? Is it website? Is it an app? So whatever you used in creating this account, you just have to choose it. I choose social media. Okay, so based on the information you are submitting, you choose what your fits your niche, fits what you are talking about. So that's what it is. Me, I used to use YouTube channel, that's why I choose social media. So here you have to tell them how you hear about them. Is it YouTube? Is it social media? Is it blog post? Then you solve another puzzle. Just write what you see there and click on you have your concept and click on submit. Your account is created.
Voila, your account is created. All you have to do is wait. They have sent you a notification in email that your account is being approved. In a short while, before 24 hours, you will receive the email that your account is approved. For now, you still have access to your account. So remember, you have to make a sales, 3 sales before 180 days. That's what they are telling you here. If you are not able to make a sale, make 3 sales in 180 days, they will remove your account. Your account will be deleted. If you open this account, you will not be able to log in. You will not even see the informations. So that is what they are telling you. Are you seeing it? The account is ready. You can start now and start looking for products you will promote and get commission from. Next thing that is remaining in this account now is to add your payment method, but we're gonna do that later on. It will be a full video. If I add it here, it's gonna be too long. I don't want it to be that long, so I will do a separate video on how to add your payment method and how to start getting links to start promoting your products, and where you can promote your product and start getting sales. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for other videos that will follow this one, because I told you initially that it's going to be in series. Everything have to come together to make sure you start earning in this platform. All right, see you in my next video. Peace out. Like this video and share it to your friends and your loved ones. Bye.